Welcome back with David Setiabudi, and today we are going to learn about making a shooting game using Adobe Director 12, the newest. And in this shooting game, we are going to shoot monsters using mouse click, and it's very simple.
Simple? You sure you didn't tell a lie to the viewers?
Yes! I'm not lying. You will see about it. It's very simple game using Adobe Director 12.
Okay, let's see them.
Now we are going to start File, New in the movie. And then we are going to click in the cast, showing like this. So you will see the thumbnail. And then if you didn't get this kind of panel, please start first with Window and go below. You will find Panel Set and set it to Director 8 and you will get this kind of panel. I think it's easier to use. Now I'm going to get the images and I will put in the cast. I'm going to choose this Ulap and this target and this blood here. Okay, and we are going to put it in the cast. Choose 24 bits, trim white space, gone. Same setting for remaining images. And then you press OK. Now you will see the images already loaded in the cast. And select the first picture until the fourth. And go to the Modify Cast to Time. There you can play it like this. It's very fast, and then you change it into a slower one. 1, 2, 3, 4. It becomes slower, and then to make it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you need it to make it become 3, 2, 1. So not 1, 2, 3, 4. And then back to 1. You will have to make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you are going to copy this, copy, Ctrl C, and then paste, Ctrl V. You modify and make it reverse sequence. And it becomes like this. So you see, it moves more natural. I'm going to make it as a film loop, insert film loop. Pay attention to the 10th cast here. Okay. And then we remove this and we can put this Ulap loop here. See? The Ulap loop.
Oh! It's cute, David. The Ulap is cute.
Yes, of course. You will see the Ulap can be used in the game.
Oh, I see. And what's the English of Ulap?
Caterpillar.
Oh, I'm a snake. I'm stronger.
Okay, then we make this ulat is smaller here. And let's make a target here, modify cast to time. You see this is the warning. Unable to drop the cast member because you are activated this one. You should choose this one, the third or the second, so it's an empty sprite. Here's sprite 1, sprite 2, sprite 3, like layer sprite, but we call here as a sprite. Modify, insert film loop, target loop. It's created here, and then we remove this and put the target here. I will move the ulat into the third because I think I will make a background later in sprite 1. Okay, so we want to shoot this caterpillar. By clicking this, the ulat will die, or the caterpillar dies. So, you see this? And then, what should we do? Add this ulat. It doesn't concern with this target. You can use this target later, but when we click this, the ulat will die. So, we click this and put a script here. Right click and choose script. You will find on mouse up me end, and then we can add a script sprite the current sprite number, location vertical -200. You got to learn what this script means. Sprite, this sprite number, it's sprite 3, it can change automatically. It will be called sprite 3. Location vertical to -200. So let's see about it. Like this. And we shoot this coming through and then click. Oh, you see? You see? The caterpillar's dead. But it's not dead actually.
Not dead? Then where's the caterpillar?
Scroll this up. There you see. Oh, the caterpillar goes to heaven. Yeah. Right. And then let's continue. Okay. And I stop this. You see? So, people will think that this caterpillar is dead by removing the caterpillar up, above the stage. Above the stage. And the coordinate is -200. But people won't believe it because what happened? You see, you just, when you say that it's the caterpillar is shot by a gun, and then you click this and gun, people will say, oh, you are using a magic wand. Bing! And it's gone. So, to make people believe that it's being shot, so we are going to make a sound about it. And pictures, of course, because people know this is a gunshot. So, I'm going to make a script here. Right-click, script. And then on exit frame me, So the script always happen every time. Sprite, the current sprite number, location horizontal follows as the mouse age, horizontal of the mouse, and then you see when you play it becomes like this. And then later you can add more script by location, its location vertical X and Y, as like this. You see? So we call this as a target script. Yeah. You don't worry about this, it's just a title. So you can name it into anything. But this one you gotta be careful about making the scripts. Then we need the sound of a gunshot. Sound of the gunshot. Okay, then gunshot here. Wait a minute. Gunshot, this feeling, no. Okay, here's the gunshot. I'm going to put it here. It's named tembak or shot in Indonesian language. And we type here puppet sound 3 tembak or shot. Okay, please remember to put this before and after the puppet sound shot. You can change into 1 and up to 8. It's the sound channel. Okay, let's begin. Oh, I make a mistake. Yeah, it looks ugly. So every time the sprite goes here, it plays sound tembak, 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 bang, 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 bang. So I think it's wrong to put it here. Instead, on mouse down, me, and. So whenever you pressing down, it will have a shot like this. Cool, isn't it?
Yeah, like a cowboy. Wow.
You see that this caterpillar is not. Why? Because it's when you press the mouse down here, it only goes to the target. Mouse down means when you press mouse down, it's just making a sound. So, how to connect this? When pressing mouse down in here, it connects to this. So, I'm going to make a script for it. On mouse up, me, there. It can't, right? So it's a problem here. But when we remove this, mouse down, it affects, because this sprite is on the 5th, and when you press it down, it only goes and affecting this. So it becomes a shield. You see, this is the caterpillar and this is the target. loop. When you press it, it affects only this one. It won't affect on the caterpillar. So we are going to make if the mouse down, then and it. See? It can. Okay, again. I will shoot you, caterpillar. Is that? Okay. Now, people now will believe that the caterpillar is shoot and dead. But, as you know, this caterpillar or ulat script, we have to make the ulat here is not easily shut. Maybe it can move. So it becomes harder. But you see, when we shoot this, so the ulat here should become a blood. So people will believe that it's really, really dead. Not the caterpillar goes and it's shot and it's gone without any trace. So we are going to make this blood here and modify caster time. So this one has to be insert film loop. I call it dead loop. Dead ulat loop. Okay. And then I will put it here and make it smaller. So my plan is when this go here and shut this one goes out and this one goes in. So I'm going to make this ulat dead is in the sprite 4 while here in the sprite 3. So script sprite the current sprite number of, because you know this is the third sprite and this is the fourth. This is the third and this one is the fourth. So the dead corpse here is higher by one number, 3 and 4. So here I put +1, so this is 3 and this is +1. So it can be changed to anything. Why did I use this current sprite number? Because I can move this anywhere instead of I'm using this sprite 3 like this. It also can, but you have to make a new script every time. Every time you move this, you got to change the number. So I'm going to put it back and become the current sprite number. So the here is going to replacing here. So I'm going to make it as like this. don't just type any script. You have to understand every script you type. So this is the horizontal. So this horizontal, wait, this horizontal, this one's horizontal, goes into this as this one's horizontal, and it becomes also the vertical. And you think this is right? No, it's wrong. I can prove to you this is a wrong script. Pay attention. Why this is a wrong script? All gone. Why?
Oh, it's wrong. You're stupid.
I'm stupid?
Yeah, look. It's outside the stage. Fix it.
Okay, I will fix it now. Then, okay. Why it is wrong? We have to understand why is it showing like that. It's wrong. First, you got to see this. On mouse up mean when we press on the caterpillar, this current sprite number is going out into -200, the vertical -200. And then the current sprite number +1, it means this one, will use as the same coordinate with sprite 3, sprite 4, the blood, using the horizontal or the X of this sprite 3. So it goes like this, horizontal and vertical. So how to fix this is we change the line. So what we do now is we really need the caterpillar's coordinates. So first, this sprite 4, or I mean sprite 7, because this one is sprite 6. The sprite 7 horizontal and vertical here goes to here. And later, this caterpillar is out. Okay? That's a step. First, it goes here, and this one, after that, goes out. Okay, let's test it out. See? So it's correct, right?
Look at that. Huh?
The blood
Stays there forever. It should be removed after a few seconds, right?
Yeah, I have not finished it, so it takes time. I need a little scripting. Okay, Snake?
Then do it!
Okay, now, as we see, the blood should goes out after a few seconds. So, I'm going to make a stopwatch. First thing is, the stopwatch should be on, and then after a few seconds, let's say 3 seconds or 2 seconds, the blood should go out. So we are going to make, here is let's say There's many ways, but here's one way. Global caterpillar 1. This is caterpillar 1. So this one is caterpillar 1. If there is, there will be this caterpillar 2 or more. So it's going to be a caterpillar 1. There are many ways, so this is one of the ways. I'm going to record the caterpillar 1. Here is the timer. So it records the time. Okay? Caterpillar 1 is recording the timer. When you play the game, it already passed 2 minutes maybe, and the stopwatch will record, oh, it's in the minutes of 2. So after 2 minutes passing 2 seconds, the blood will go out. So the caterpillar 1 is and the timer. We got to connect with this and script here. We call it blood caterpillar 1. On exit frame me global caterpillar 1, and we'll count if we use if and then. If caterpillar 1 if caterpillar 1 wait a minute. If the timer, the latest timer is bigger than caterpillar 1, which is recorded. Wait. Caterpillar 1 timer. Okay, good. Wait a minute. Here, scripting. Caterpillar 1 timer. The timer, if the timer already bigger, the latest timer is bigger than the recorded plus 2 seconds, then sprite, the current sprite number goes out minus 200. There. Let's test it out. It's gone! There. You see? I can put this here. The blood follows. 2 seconds and gone. Okay. For the last time, I think this tutorial is already long enough. So I will tell you the summary. So this scripting at the target script, this script is following the mouse. So the target script here, the target, is moving along with my mouse. This one, okay? Following the mouse H and following the mouse vertical V. And then if the mouse down, wait, okay. When the mouse down, it shows bang, the shooting. That's for the sound. And then for this caterpillar here, when the caterpillar is being moused down, okay, the blood will goes down wherever the caterpillar is. This one, the blood goes down to the caterpillar wherever the caterpillar is, and then here later the caterpillar going out. After going out, we set a timer. Okay, now is 1 hour past 2 minutes. 1 hour past 2 minutes. Anytime the time will be recorded in this variable caterpillar 1 timer. And then this block script. If the timer, the newest timer, not the caterpillar time 1 is recorded, no, not that timer, the newest timer, if the newest timer is bigger than the recorded timer, caterpillar 1, there might be caterpillar 2 or 3, the caterpillar 1 timer is already 2 seconds and it's bigger than, so this one will go out. That's how it's working. For the last time, let's make it like this, and this one is gone. And then don't forget to make this going script here, not the script, I mean, sorry. The ULAT loop goes here to there. Okay. Or then you can move it like this, keyframe, and so on. So this is a pair. This one has 1 pair. So the target loop goes as long as this. Okay, let's check it out and play.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Okay, you can adjust and adjust the speed here. It's faster, or you can make it slow by pulling it longer. And then if you want to make another ULAT like this, oh, let's wait for a while. This one is upper. This block belongs to this one. Okay, and this one belongs to this one. So we remove this block caterpillar 1, double click it, and delete. And then this is caterpillar ULAT. Yes. Caterpillar 1. caterpillar 1. Okay, this one is removed. So this one has no script yet. This one has caterpillar 1, and this is caterpillar 1's blood, and this one has no script. And you see here we got caterpillars 1. We are going to copy it, 1 and blood. This one is its blood. Caterpillar 1 and the blood of the caterpillar 1. We copy this and name it to caterpillar 2. And blood of the caterpillar 2. So the caterpillar 2 is here. Click and drag. So this is caterpillar 2, and this is the blood of caterpillar 2. But remember, when you copy paste this, you got to open this cast member and see that this one still caterpillar 1. So change it to caterpillar 2. So this one is caterpillar 2. And then we're going to edit this. You can press next here, or you can press this one, or either you can press this. Okay, for the caterpillar 2, you got to change it into caterpillar 2 here. Okay, this is the caterpillar 2. This is still caterpillar 1. And this is the caterpillar 2. Okay, now we will have a lot more caterpillars. Okay, now we are going to add a bit more sound. Like this, ooh-ah, ah, or ah, like that. Okay, we're going to put this ah here as the sound of the dead caterpillar. We're going to put a puppet sound 4. Because I already choose 3 for the bang sound in the channel 3. So I'm going to make this ah in the channel 4. This is caterpillar 1 and the caterpillar 2. You can choose like this, or you can select another sound. This is monyan. It means monkey. Okay. You can save it. Shooting game. Okay. And let's play it. Okay. And you see, the game is already can be played, but you don't see the background. Okay, I will close it, and then I can select the background. Background, and we can put it there. See? It's already moved within the background. Yeah? Okay. So this is the first tutorial for you. So shooting game is easy. Right?
Not really. I gotta try.
Of course you gotta try, Snake. It will be fun for you. Just follow my tutorial. You can pause it and play it later, okay?
Okay. It takes a hard work.
No, don't worry, Snake. You will. You can. Just try, okay? If you like this channel,
please subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay? Okay, keep calm, Snake. Everyone likes you. Okay? Yeah.